So we're upgrading our tower. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do for today's video. I'm not uploading for so long though. Let's just do this jump. There's no idea if this is right. Is this possible? Yes. It's raining. Whoa. Oh, I barely made it though. I'm making those jumps hard. This isn't supposed to be easy though, because we are on okay, I don't understand English, but we're on a very high level right now. I'm actually refining this. Don't worry, I will color this when I'm not very busy, because I'm always busy at school. But yeah, let's make some platform jumps. Then let's make a disappearing so we can trick them a bit. Let's make it kind of harder. Let's just make sure this is possible, because my tower cannot be impossible. Okay, it's so possible that I'm gonna move it there. I'm almost done though. I don't know if they're possible, but let's try. They're all possible, surprisingly, but they're pretty hard. But there are not so many blocks right now. Oi, what's up? Let's actually craft something. I don't know why I'm doing this, but what should I craft? I can just craft this. What does this mean? Is there a secret map under the map? No. I wanna make a tunnel. Let's just grab some small cubes and wait for the next stock. Let me buy squares real quick. What the? Okay, don't. It's pretty hard to build a cool tower though. I also wanna color my tower. Yes, I wanna color it. What's this guy tower? I mean this guy's IP Pro. Huh? I didn't understand a single thing. But let's try this guy's tower till we wait for the restock. Did I think I can make this? Oh, never mind. Whoa. Wait, try on the tree. Ouch. The rain is so heavy. I'm actually hopping on the trees. Did that guy just quit? I don't know what just happened. Oh my god, the rain is so heavy that I think you can hear it. Lol. Sorry. Let's just finish this girl's tower. Okay, I finished it. Don't know what I'm gonna finish then. Why are they making like slant passages. It's not straight. I don't have that. Let's actually test my own tower. Let's just go to the checkpoint. Again, the rain is so loud, so you can maybe even hear it. I'll move my platforms. Just make sure not to stand on the block that I'm actually standing on. Oh, I need the micro cube right now. Okay, thankfully I have one. There. And let's refine it. And let's paint it. There. I hope build the tower gets undo soon. Did I just say undo 2 times? Oh. I can now make a tunnel. Is it rotated? Anyway, let's just go craft it. I just opened the lights though. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's rotated or something else. Maybe it's upside down. If it really is, I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, let's teleport here. Oh. They really teleported me here. What a cool function. Why did they teleport me here though? Let's actually use the disappearing spiral. Oh my god, I really fell. I think I need some guide right now. So let me place some I don't know, squares. This is going to be so easy. I'm making it super easy for me. Let's actually place the stair near here. Let me move this down. There we go. Let's place the disappearing stairs. Where is it? Okay. Man. Oh. Why did I do that suddenly? Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Okay. Man, this is my last few teleporters and okay, just don't fall. This is this way here. Let's just move it like somewhere. Now the real question is it possible? Please tell me it is. And this video is kind of getting so long. Yes, it's possible actually. Okay, that's a good sign. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. So if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I promise I will upload 1 times every week, or even some few times. Yeah, more than 1. If I didn't post for a week, I will post 3 videos in the next week. So bye bye.